Welcome to Whisky Riffs. I'm Kevin, and it's day 16 of my special Whisky Advent Calendar series, and I'm using the Flaviar Advent Calendar, even though I'm not sponsored by them. I love the variety. They've kept me on my toes and keep me guessing for every day of the Advent Calendar. I'm doing a blind tasting, so even though they give me tasting notes, those aren't looked at until the end, and I'm going to use their glass that came with the calendar. It's a Glencairn glass, very nice. And day 16 is right over here. All right, now each bottle is 50 milliliters and has the day on it. And also on the front of the label, there's the country of origin for the whiskey, which I'm avoiding looking at because it's a huge hint and gives away all the good stuff. So I will just leave that facing you. I will take my glass and start the tasting for day 16. These blind tastings are interesting because they certainly challenge me to figure out what I can taste and what I can't taste. Certain days I find myself tasting more, other days less. So I think it's fun. I think it's fun to do. Hope you're enjoying it. If you are, if you have any comments, please list them below. I'd love to hear from you. And with that, let's get to the nosing. Wow. Ooh, there's some nice finish on this one. I'm getting some sherry notes. I'm getting honey and vanilla, some fruit, maybe berries. That's a very nice nose. Pretty mild nose, nothing offensive, no smoke or peat hitting me. Color is beautiful, nice golden color. Looks like it's got some aging or second casking to it. Let me go in for the taste, see if I can get some more notes out. It's a good ABV, probably around 46, which is my kind of the sweet spot that I shoot for. I'm not a big fan of the 40 to 43 range. I feel like I'm not getting enough of the heat from the alcohol. Sometimes it means the whiskey is just too diluted. I'm getting some spice on there, some oak spice. The finish is very long. It's very hot. A lot of spice and heat on the finish. Some I hate it when I can't think of the word that I'm smelling. Maybe waffles. Why am I smelling waffles? What am I making waffles? No, I'm sorry. Now I guessed yesterday, right and wrong. I got the notes pretty on target, but it was an American whiskey with Scottish heritage. So I guessed a Highland Scotch. I don't know why I want to guess wrong again. I think I want to guess wrong again. I don't know. I'm very confused by the fruitiness. There's definitely some malt taste here, but I'm getting so much as far as berries and fruitiness. I'm going to guess, again, this is a Highland Scotch that has a finish on it, some sort of sherry finish probably, and we'll go with 46 ABV. Let's check out the bottle, see if I got the country right at least. A product of USA again. So 2 days in a row, I guess Scotland, and 2 days in a row, it's a product of USA. Let's go to the tasting note cards because I am stumped at what this could be. Oh, Uncle Nearest. I have some of their whiskey. And this is a premium small batch whiskey, American whiskey. And put the card up here so you can take a look while I'm reading the notes. So butter, honey, vanilla, botanicals, woody, apple juice, pineapple. Pineapple, that's what I couldn't get. Yeah, there's pineapple on the nose. Toasted wood, dry. I get a lot of wood notes. What are we at? 46.5% ABV. That's about what I was getting. 1884 premium small batch whiskey. So not a lot of information about how this is made, but it definitely has wood notes, a lot of vanilla honey. I'm getting the butter now. Now that I see the tasting notes, I can't not smell the butter. I get butter a lot when I do a Redbreast 12. It's an Irish whiskey. Pot still whiskeys tend to give me that buttery note. So now I'm going to look up, see what Uncle Nearest is doing with this particular whiskey. Yesterday's whiskey, I got done with the tasting and I bought a bottle. I went to Flaviar and went, yeah, I want that. Now I have to look at Uncle Nearest and see if this is the bottle I want. I'm saving half the bottles because I do want to do a follow-up and retaste these on camera and give you my opinions of which ones that I would order again or not. I have to figure out how I'm going to do that. If you have any idea how you want that done, leave a note in the comments. Help me out with this, because it might be comical to see me do 24 tastings in one video, but it's probably not healthy. So I'm going to have to break them up or just kind of pick my favorites and then go from there. And if you're enjoying these videos, and I appreciate you watching them, hit that like, hit the subscribe, and bang that bell so you get notified of new videos. My episodes for a while are going to be daily until I get through this. We're on 16, I'm going to 24 with this Advent calendar, and then I'll go back to more of a weekly schedule. So stick around for those. And to all the people that have commented to help me out with the videos and just said that they're enjoying this, I appreciate you, and until tomorrow, cheers. Good American whiskeys. I have to guess America more often. I'll probably guess America tomorrow and it'll be Scotland, so whatever. Yeah. Cheers.